Hey Wizard, so I got married just this last Sunday, and in doing so, I wanted to give my friend John and my cousin Jacques some crypto. But I was stuck with the dilemma of how do I do that in a fun and meaningful way? And I found a solution. It was really well received, and I want to share the whole experience and the process here with you right now in this video. So let's hop over to one of my favorite tools, Excalidraw over here, to illustrate the principle before I literally show it to you. So for example, let's say you have a friend who, I don't know, they love pizza. And so you want to create a way to access their crypto using something that they love, in this case, pizza. So I can create an account on Solana using something called a mnemonic phrase. And I did this through code. But you can read how to do it online. I'm actually thinking about creating a site for the world to use on the blockchain that allows them to do this without knowing any code. But ideally, what you do is create an account or create a wallet using a mnemonic phrase. So here I use the phrase, I could eat pizza every day. And so you can create a private key and an account using this phrase. And you can do this with Ethereum as well, etc., etc. I did it on Solana. So I created the account and transferred them one Solana to that account. But now how do I give somebody the private key to that account? Because this phrase will generate a private key that looks something like this. It's just like gobbledygook. And you don't want to go and give someone this to go and type in or say, oh, I sent you an email with a private key in it. You know, could you paste it in and you've got some Solana? What I wanted to do was give them the phrase so that they could get the private key and just copy and paste it into their Phantom wallet. If they didn't have a Phantom wallet, they could just download it, paste it in, and now they've got some Solana. And so how did I do that? Well, I solved the problem with a website. And so what happened was they would go to the website, and this is just a general mock-up of the same website I used. I'm not going to use that in this video or show the name of the website just because it wasn't super secure, etc. But the point is they'd get to the website. Now, how did they know how to get there? Well, I gave them a card, and in that card, I hand wrote this mnemonic phrase. And all I said was, thanks for being so super cool. Go to this website, www.getmycrypto.com or happywedding.com, whatever you want to call it, and type in the phrase. So let's say your friend over here again likes pizza. What they do is go over here and type in the phrase you've given them. I could eat pizza every day. And you'll notice when they do that, then this pops up here and it says, okay, go. When they click on that, it goes and gets their private key. Great, they can copy that. They can import it into their Phantom wallet just by going to, add connect wallet, import private key, paste it in. And then when they go and do that, they have the account with the one Solana. It's as easy as that. Now, what was really cool about this is it was really effortless for them, right? The effort was done by you, the person giving the gift, which is what makes it kind of special. But what I also liked about it is you can make it very personal. So I actually had the website, come up with their name and say something like, hey, John, well done. You've unlocked your crypto and you can do anything with it. To the degree where I'm actually thinking about building a website on the blockchain that the whole world can use to gift each other crypto. I wouldn't do it on a normal, traditionally hosted website because it would be under so much attack from hackers to try to access that money. It would be crazy. So if you did it on the blockchain, then theoretically the security would be a lot higher, but you'd have to figure out how to store data in a highly secure way on the blockchain, which I actually don't know how I would do because technically speaking, unless it's a black box like on Solana, depending on how you put up your smart contract, call it, or your program, it's quite tricky to do. Nonetheless, a lot of you watching this are programmers too, so let me know your thoughts about how you would securely hide someone's private key on the blockchain, essentially. But the idea here is that you could do this yourself as well. I did it using React, or to be more specific, I just used Next.js because I love it. And then essentially uploaded it to, you can upload it to anywhere, AWS, DigitalOcean, Heroku, GitHub pages, whatever, it's all free. And so I just uploaded it there and put the web address in the card. And so there was something else like, please, sir, bring me another beer. And then again, this was for someone else. And so this was a mnemonic phrase that related to someone else. It gives them their private key. It tells them what their account here should look like, etc. And then they just follow the instructions. And it also looks at the Solana blockchain and tells them what their balance is. So very, very exciting, very cool thing to do. So let me know what you thought of that. I thought it was super fun, very well received. Let me know what experience or other sites you might know about, and I'll see you in the next video.